traffic stop turns into a nightmare when a silver pickup truck goes on a rampage and slams straight into a police officer.
The victim gave us John Tom Adam 321. Temple.
Stay in your car! Stay in your car! Hey! Stop! Stop!
Edmond police officers are called to a chaotic scene. A truck hitting multiple vehicles and trying to ram others.
South on Littler.
Southbound on Littler.
One officer gets behind the suspect, but the situation is about to get deadly.
Light southbound. Quick.
Like down where if I did, yeah, I'll be calling over southbound.
Quick, still southbound.
High-speed pursuit through the streets. The truck is out of control.
Quick.
We're southbound at 40 miles an hour right now.
Southbound 40 miles.
She's pulled out of the TBI. Southbound from Smiling Hill, 40 miles. That black crew gonna push bars instead of the road. He's going back northbound.
Then it happens. The truck hits the motorcycle officer at full speed.
Hey, we have an officer down, start medical quick.
Start after. You're on over 462. Show me your hands! Hands! Get out of the fucking car!
Officer Joe is launched off his bike and flies down into a deep creek bed.
On the ground now. Down on the ground. Get on the ground. Where's he at? Where's the officer? Go get the officer. He's over here. Joe! Okay.
Multiple officers rush to help their brother. The scene is complete chaos.
Get up. Get up. Joe! Joe! Get up! He's down here in the creek. Joe! Joe! Damn. Can I get a car right here? He's in the creek! Ugh. Joe! Edmond, I need an officer here so I can go down 462. Hey, stand up.
Second Boulevard coming.
Get up!
They find him badly injured in the ravine. He's conscious, but in terrible pain.
Should I pull his... I probably shouldn't pull his helmet off, right? He just hit that car. Hey, let's put him in the car. Put him in the car. Or you have a cage. Come on, Joe. Can you help me get him in my car?
Yeah, what do you need?
Joe's down in the creek.
He got blasted.
Hey, Joe. He hit Joe right here.
He's all right.
He's down there in the creek.
Listen, man, I watched the horse and he got down his bike after getting creamed by the truck.
Yeah, he got out of the car.
Be advised, 462 is down. He is breathing but not conscious. We're in the bottom of the ravine, just east of the roadway, south of Smiling Hill.
Come on, stay with us, Joe.
Stay with us, Joe.
He fired around as he was coming at him. I don't know if you heard it or not.
Put your head down, buddy. Put your head down.
Hey, lay back down.
Hey, keep your head down. Keep your head down.
Hey, lay still. Joe, lay still. Lay still.
Stay still. Hey, there's a gun up there. His gun's up there somewhere. Hey, lay down. Hey, don't move. Joe, don't move.
Don't move, okay?
Edmond, be advised, northbound is completely shut down.
Hey, northbound shut down.
Come on, Joe. Joe, keep your head
Stay in there, baby.
You got it, Joe.
Stay in there, man. Stay in there.
You got it, Joe.
Come on, Joe.
Officers desperately try to keep him still while waiting for fire and EMS to arrive.
Fire's almost here.
Driving unit, let's just start getting this southbound traffic cleared out.
585's almost there.
Hey, don't grab your head.
Joe,
Hey,
Joe, Joe.
Don't move, man. Just stay still. Joe, stay still, bro. Stay still.
I know you're an ox, but stay still. Don't move.
Don't move, Joe.
Joe. Joe. Stay still. Don't move, man.
I'm going to shut southbound down at 33rd Boulevard.
Don't move.
Move. I know you're hurting. Don't move, all right?
Just be still, man.
Don't move.
Hey, Joe.
Okay.
I appreciate you stopping me. Could you guys go up there for me?
391, you advise your route.
Come on, Joe.
Okay, you're doing good.
We can shut it down at Smiling Hill. We don't need to shut down at 33rd.
Joe, don't move. Joe, stay down. Don't move. No, Joe, don't move. Don't move. You're okay breathing right now. We got you.
Joe, hey, I got you.
Stay still, baby.
His arms here. His arms are fine.
Come on, baby. Stay still, bro. Keep on breathing.
Are you more comfortable there?
Oh, yeah.
No.
How about, my man?
Okay, I just need help getting these, if you can go on the north side of 33rd Boulevard so we don't get people coming south.
Just come up here and shut it down at Smiling Hills Boulevard. Come up and shut it down at Smiling Hills Boulevard.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, no. Don't try to get up.
Don't try to get up.
Let's go. Be still.
Joe.
I know you're hurting. Just be still. I don't want to pull your helmet off because it might hurt the worst.
Stay still, bro. Keep on breathing, man.
Hey, look at me.
Hurry up.
We're going to help you up. We're going to help you up, but not until fire gets here.
Wait till fire gets here.
Radio cut out. Pull into the northbound lanes and west.
Just north of the motorcycle, northbound lane.
Clear.
Stop.
Hurry up now.
What, are you laying on rocks? Is that what hurts?
Oh, I'm back.
Yeah.
You can hear the pain in his voice as he begs to sit up, but officers know moving him could make it worse.
Down here for fire as soon as they can. Go. Fire will be here in just a minute. Just suck it up.
Now and my vehicle secured.
You're a tough son. Stay here.
467, be advised, the suspect is now in my vehicle secured because the vehicle he was in is involved in the accident.
Come on, let's go make it. As soon as fire gets here, we'll put a brace on you and get you on, and we'll get you carried out.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't help it.
Okay, put your arms up. That's fine. Where's your back hurting, Joe?
My legs.
Your legs are hurting? Okay. You
Okay,
can feel your legs,
stay
all right?
still.
Hey,
Stay still.
Stay still, Joe. Good, secured in Mark's car. Okay.
97 out here, I don't know if they know, but we're going to need a board / gurney from EMSA or fire as soon as they get on scene.
Clear.
You went flying and flew down a bank and into a creek.
Okay, let me sit back.
Before you hit him on the motor.
Let me sit up. My leg hurts so bad.
Okay, don't sit up, Joe.
Don't sit up.
Oh.
Come on, man. Hey here, man.
Yeah, fire's here.
Get you squared away.
If you're going to block this line where that wall.
Give me a squeeze, Joe. Other hand.
All right, I'm gonna see his legs. Let me see his legs.
Left one looks broken. Which leg is hurting?
Both of them.
Both of them? Okay.
Let me up.
They're bringing a gurney.
Squeeze all you want.
And started. Clear.
Hey, Joe, stay.
Stay down.
Stay down.
Let me sit up. Let me sit up.
They're coming down right now. Come on. I got your head.
My legs hurt so bad.
I know.
Let me sit up.
No, don't sit down.
Let me
Okay.
sit up.
No, the fire's here. No, Joe, stop moving.
Joe.
Relax, just relax for me.
Come on. Hey, don't try to get up, Joe. Hold.
Yeah, my legs hurt.
I know it hurts. Everything ought to be hurting, Joe. Somebody open this up.
Come on, Joe.
I'm just gonna cut his boots so I can cut him loose.
Yep. Joe.
Let me sit up.
Not yet, bud. Hey,
Don't sit up.
just breathe for me, okay?
My legs hurt so bad.
I know, buddy. I know. Hang in there.
Joe, I need you to stay down.
I need to sit up.
Nah, can't get you sit up. Why can't you? Why do you want
My
to sit
legs
up?
hurt so bad.
I know,
Here,
man.
by my thumb.
Give me an 18.
lower extremities.
Dude, my legs hurt so bad. I just
Really
want to
goes
sit
on
up.
his right arm.
I just want to sit up.
Fire department finally arrives and starts treating his broken legs and serious injuries.
611.
Put that one front and back. Good with this for now.
Will you let me sit up?
Hey, Joe, hold
It'll
on.
make my
Hold real
legs feel so
still.
much better.
Joe, hold real
He's got
still.
a cut over here in his arm.
He's trying to put an IV in you.
He's got a cut on his left elbow.
Oh,
It's on his left elbow.
Hey, we getting you better. Hey, we getting the meds in you, man. Just relax, bro. Just relax.
It'll make you feel better here in a little bit.
Cut on the backside of here?
Yes. There's one on the back side of this arm too.
I got, yeah.
I need 18.
I got a line over here, box. You got.
Okay.
You got run over by a Ford pickup.
No, they called for 2 trucks. The guy was in my back seat and he went limp noodle like he couldn't breathe or whatever, but he was fine.
Cobain. I need Cobain. That's what I need.
Where's that alcohol prep?
I need you to call for traffic to the parking lot over here at the Edmond.
You got it. Put me right on, bud.
But my legs hurt so bad.
And I'm going to take care of that.
Hey, did anybody listen? Has anybody listened to him?
No.
Yo, take a breath.
Let's get the collar. Let's start getting the board.
Your right leg is fractured at the top, so you can't straighten it out.
Yeah, just be still, man. We're going to get you squared away.
I need someone to hold his hand.
Try not
right
to
there.
move.
Squeeze as hard as you can right there for me, okay? I need you to be my tourniquet.
Go ahead and notify OU.
Fentanyl's in.
Okay.
Fentanyl 1359.
Okay, let's
My legs
get
hurt
that
so
collar.
bad.
Grab his leg, straighten it up. I need a backboard.
Is there one right here behind you?
Garrett?
Yeah, man.
Give you some medicine.
We got you, man.
Can I stretch my legs out?
Just relax, man. We gonna get you squared away,
As soon
man.
as they can, they will.
Let's scoop him, put him in the, we need to scoop him, put him.
You got hit by a truck.
Here, get that on. Let's roll him. Which leg's broken? Let's roll towards Lopez. Well, let's just get out of here. Everybody on each side, we want 6 guys on them. Let's get 6 guys up there ready to receive. If the leaves are in the way, pull them off and let's get him moved.
You're moving your legs, Joe.
Full traction on that.
We can get you loaded up now, man.
Let me check his back. Where's the other side?
See anything? The spine looking line?
Is that his shirt cut off?
Yeah.
Yeah, look push.
Okay. All right, I'm flipped in now. Okay.
Okay, I got something under his head right
Hang
here.
on, boss. Blocks.
Okay.
We need blocks.
Let's do blocks and we get them up there.
Gotcha.
It's right there, Lou.
I know. I'm working on it.
Make sure we get a tunnel so we get guys on each side to get them up there, okay?
Hey, another strap right here.
No, up there. Let's just get them up. We gotta get out of here.
Give yourself a big hug, brother. Hold your hands. Okay? Don't let go. Hold your wrist.
Right there. Ready? Ready? Left. 1, 2, 3. We want to take this monitor?
Where they at? I'll go for it. One's off at Jumbo Juice, and I believe it's a white Kia, and the other pulled off into O'Reilly's. Where they at? I'll go for it. One's off at Jumbo Juice, and I believe it's a white Kia, and the other pulled off into O'Reilly's.
I need a northbound lane cleared out for IMSA. They're going to go to 33rd over to Broadway and then south. Oklahoma City has everything between here and there.
Yeah, they told me to leave.
Thanks to his fellow officers' quick actions, Officer Joe survived this horrific crash. The suspect was taken into custody.
Miller,
Appreciate it.
40-45 when he was
Yeah.
coming back this way.
We had just TVI'd. I spun him around right north of that drive right there, and then he hit Sheltman coming back, and then he. So probably
About where your bumper is?
about where Fraser Bank is.
Oh, okay. And then
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks a lot.